What's up, guys? Mikey Cass, the fucking pro dropshipper. Hey, we just got this new house in the hills. I was supposed to jump off the roof into the pool, but I forgot in the first clip of the video, so that's why I said sorry, excuse me, when I get into the second clip. So yeah, you'll see when you watch the video, but enjoy it, gang gang. Okay, so sorry about that. This is the actual house tour. Just secured this house in the hills with Scott Hilsa, Fez, and Sebas Bedoya. All e-commerce YouTubers, all have a personal brand. You guys may know them. This is the house. We just got it about 5 days ago on November 1st. This is the little courtyard. It's a little ratchet. We don't do shit here. The main thing is inside, so I'm gonna take you guys right here. First thing you see, shoes off. I'm not gonna say that's a bad word. It says bitch. Yeah, this is the living room where motherfuckers just be living. So yeah, that's a little bit about that. There's a couch right here. They actually imported this from a Nigerian husky. Actually, there was one in the local West Hollywood, shelter. So this is a little living room, little TV. They fucking gave us an insignia, not even a, I don't know, it's a good monitor. I'm not out here like PewDiePie. But we have a drone on here, boosted board controller. Nobody really works. That's my laptop over there. It's broken. I actually have to get that fixed. But if you watch my lives, you already probably know that. The kitchen, I love the kitchen. It has a lot of space and shit, but it doesn't match anything else in the house. This is the refrigerator. Meal prep, whatever. This is Fez Warsani's. If you want to know what he eats, he's fucking exposed right here. Chicken parm, chicken sweet potatoes. This is Scott Hilsa's food. He eats taco bowls if you're curious. This is my food, a little bit of Whole Foods shit and meal prep again. So that's a little bit about that. This is a pretty dope spot that pretty much probably 1% of the houses have. So I'm gonna take it over here. Okay, so this is one of the only houses in the Hollywood Hills, I believe, with an indoor-outdoor space that I've seen. Anyways, over here we have a telescope if you're trying to scope booty in West Hollywood. This Fez's laptop, that $1 million laptop. This is James out here managing music, people. So this is a little day bed. Not many houses have this, which is pretty dope. So if you're trying to clap cheeks during the day, looking out at the view and shit, that's all nice. Yeah, it's a pretty dope spot. I just come here and I read books and I eat my lunch. Okay, so here's the living room. We pretty much have a couch, just basic stuff, little TV. I'm gonna show you guys my room now. This is my room. You guys are watching my YouTube channel, so I guess you're pretty interested. Just AirPods, camera, lighter. I don't smoke, but there's a little candle. My friend gave it to me. Got my little bag and shit like that over here. And then, we have to show the drip out here for the YouTube video house tour. A little crew neck, V-Lone. This one's kind of fire, honestly. I got a whole bunch of shit on Grailed a couple days ago. Because I literally rocked H&M for the longest time ever, so I had to upgrade that a little bit. TV, well, yeah, it's pretty decent size. I don't watch any, movies, any of that shit. I mainly just watch YouTube on my laptop. Here's an RC plane. I used to be super big into RC, but just recently, I wanted to connect to my deeper roots as a child, skateboarding and RC planes and quadcopters. So I had to call this from Hobby King. If you know, you know. Over here, this is just like my little gym stuff. Fucking shoes, and I got socks and underwear over there. Little nightstand, this is what I'm reading. Little Michael Jordan book. Salt, Sugar, Fats, and I just actually finished these books. I got them both yesterday and I finished them today. Also, personally, I am a Leo, so I have to get a tiger. I know Leos are lions, but fuck it, bro. That shit looks dope as hell, and it was at IKEA. Okay, this is the bathroom now. Hygiene products. Got a little more in here. At all you dirty motherfuckers. This is the toilet where I just usually cook my food and all my beer preps. So here's the shower. I just take showers at the gym, so I don't really use it. So if anybody's in LA looking for a shower, hit me up. I'm gonna take you guys to Fez's bedroom. Fez Warsani's bedroom, at Fez on Instagram. Packages and shit like that. Look at the window. That's pretty dope. I don't know if you guys can see that well. But yeah, this is pretty much it. A little closet, so yeah. It actually just came out the closet. No, I'm just kidding, it's a joke. All the feminists, I'm so sorry, don't fucking get pissed at me. This is the bathroom, I'm not gonna go too in depth, but he just be out here bathing and shit. So that's that. Come out here. And then this is Scott Hilsa, one product dropshipper. Not gonna go too in depth, obviously respect people's privacy. But you gotta go all the way down the stairs. I don't know who he thinks he is, taking the stairs to his bedroom. No, I'm just playing. I'm not gonna go too in depth, but just a little 360. Over here you can see this little bedroom and closet. And then I'm gonna take you guys to the best part of the house now. So, okay, so sorry to show you guys. This is the garage. You can actually come out here from the deck or my bedroom. This is where Scott parks his i8, but he's not here right now. He's chilling Maserati. And then here's a Tesla. This is Fez's. And then there's a bedroom over there that's Sebas Bedoya's, but it's actually locked right now. And then this is the best part of the house in the hills. With the fucking beautiful deck. This is obviously, where the majority of this house, why it's so dope, and I love it. And then, we just have casual six-figure entrepreneurs just scattered all around the house. This is my boy Mentality. Jason, met him in a group chat 2 years ago. Jet Set Fly shut down his group chat, so I made my own. Jason joined it. We've just been talking. That was not even 2 years ago, bro. That was like 3 years ago. Literally, I was in high school chilling. Just fucking, dude, I was grinding, bro. Remember when I tried to fucking run away and I was in the group chat telling everybody and stuff?
Hey, FBI is still looking for him.
Yeah, no, he's kidding. But yeah, I was in high school, bro. I was in fucking like 9th grade, just grinding every single day, and me and Jason would talk in this group chat. And then, anyways, this is this little fireplace. This is where we just, you know, chill. We smoke crystal meth and black tar. I'm fucking with you. But yeah, that's where we chill. And then over here, this is where all the Instagram models take the photos. You know, yes, queen, yes, sister. This is where they do that. I'm gonna take you down to the best part of the deck. The best part of the best part of the house. Let me show you. Okay, here we are in the beautiful, you know, Hollywood fucking hills. I love this place. If you know me, you know me. Like, dude, back in my high school, I never lived in these hills. Obviously, I was living in San Diego. Shout out Carlsbad and Aviara. But I was fucking known as Mr. Hollywood Hills himself because I always, you know, dreamed about living here. And don't take it as a flex or anything, but I love to inspire the youth and everything. But I'm just blessed and, you know, grateful to live here. Just beautiful place. And like, honestly, I know I'm super energetic in the video and everything like that. And like, aside from these jokes, like, I'm super grateful, and like, obviously I'm trying not to take any of this for granted, and I try to realize how blessed I am and everything. So yeah. Enough with this cheesy shit. Hey, another cool thing is with this pool, you can control everything through the app. You know, you want to heat up the pool, heat up the jacuzzi. It doesn't take, you know, that long. As you can see here, let's just say features. I want to turn the jets on. Beautiful. Turns the jets on. Honestly, here's Fez Warsani. He's about to jump in it. Jump in that shit. Exactly. Follow him on Instagram. Or actually, no free plugs out here. Okay, anyways, so this is the house. Pretty dope place. I'm super blessed to live here. And I'm gonna be uploading obviously more on YouTube. And in this video, sorry, I'm probably super energetic and shit. I'm still learning how to do YouTube and all that. All right, beautiful place. Obviously super blessed to live here, and hope you guys, dude, fuck that shit. I don't even know what to do for the outro. Okay, anyways, me and the fucking filmer, my guy Brian, we just went through this whole thing, and I realized I was about to delete the house tour, but I'm like, nah, fuck it, it's fine. He told me. So anyways, we're out here in the fucking hills. Anybody in high school that said I wouldn't be here, no, I'm not gonna say fuck you. Actually, I believe in everybody, and I, you know, try to have love for everybody and hold no judgment. But I'm fucking out here though, so you can't say I'm not moving to LA anymore. But yeah, man, e-commerce is fucking crazy. 3 years ago, obviously this is gonna be a whole nother fucking emotional ass video. Not emotional, but like the motherfucking principal would come, you know, call me in with my dad and everything, talking about, Mikey, you have a GPA of like fucking 0.8, and like I was failing my classes, and everybody's hating, and they're like, why aren't you trying in school? My teachers, I'm like, oh, I'm trying this thing called dropshipping out, and they're like, what the fuck is that? But I'm out here, and I'm super blessed and grateful at 18 years old. I just turned 18 a couple months ago, so I'm super blessed to live out here with some really good people. And obviously something I realized, you know, is this shit doesn't matter. Obviously it's dope and all, but it's the people around you. And I'm still learning day to day. So if I said some stupid shit in this video that might have offended you, or seemed like I come off as like cocky or something, I'm still trying my best to learn every day. And like, obviously it's also just like an act of like me making jokes and shit like that. So don't take it personal. For all you BuzzFeed workers, fucking feminists and shit like that. Sorry to you BuzzFeed workers. Yeah, super blessed, grateful. I don't know how I came out in this video. It's obviously just a little bit of an act, but I'm fucking blessed to live out here with good people in a beautiful house. And I'll see you soon, motherfuckers.